bad for you.
Yeah, I'm just wondering one day.
So I believe these are like the newest Casablanca Dualias. They used to have some of the older generation Dualias here before, and they had a couple Home Depot low profiles mixed in, and it looks like they replaced them all with these newer Dualias. Like, I think this was one of the low profiles right here, and then there were about 3 or 4 in the bunch. So yeah, they still have the original, so the ones that are like in that waiting area are Utopias, and I think those are the same ones that were here before. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all the fans around. It's a dinosaur ride, so yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, here's this one original in the shop here. I know a couple collectors have pictures of this one, and it looks like recently they added another one in here. I thought they had replaced the original with this, but apparently it's over here, and then they recently installed this thing. Kind of, it's a bit out of place, but still. I mean, they're like completely different fans, but yeah. So yeah, that's it guys. So, stuff over there, and other wall fans, but yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Chains fell off on this one. Okay guys, here are some Hunter Sears that replaced originals a while ago. This is like a while ago. There are still a couple originals remaining, but most have been replaced with Hunter Sears. But you can see there's at least one right there. They painted it black. I think it used to be the color that the canopies are there, but you can see over there. Some don't have the original canopy. There's a new one right there that was recently put there. There's one of those newer Sears, and I'd have to go down and get a ways. But yeah. I wonder if that's... And then there's more fans like this. There's installs similar to this down that way a bit. But yeah, I think that's one of the only remaining originals in this area. But let's see down, let's check down here. Oh nope, I was wrong. There's one, yeah, there's one more all the way down here. This one has kind of, I think that's a 5-blade one. That's kind of an oddball canopy there. That one does as well. It's another Sear and some other ones there. But yeah, there's a couple more this way. And I'll try to get, I'm probably gonna get all the fans around this zone here and to get them into one video. I'll do multiple clips, so I'm gonna go around. And then we got some white Sierras in here. These actually replaced Hunter low profiles. And see, here's the electrical. That's like the mounter to one of them right there. It's, I think. Yeah. Okay. So this is, the section is closed, but the security guard was really nice, and she let me through here to take video. See, there's a ton back here. Some new Sierra. Yeah, I don't think there's any originals. I bet they had originals back here at one time. And there, I can get through here. So there's more. Down that way, and we go over here. Yeah, this install is incredible. There's more over here. Oh my gosh, look at that one. It's like... Yeah, it's like shaking. It's not really picking up on camera. But it's like ticking back and forth here. Let's go back here. Make a lot of shadows. This install is incredible. And there's some more up in the front here. Couple when you enter right there. So yeah, they painted the ceiling gray. They used to be like red, like the other fans. Like where those two originals, where it was like a dark red, and then it looks like they painted it gray for Star Wars, but they kept the fans and Sears. And then they have there's one low profile 3. I think it replaced another Sierra, and then maybe before it was an original, I don't know, but yeah, there's a fan over there standing all by itself. I'm not sure if there's any going down this way. Any down this way? I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. So yeah. Yeah, you can't really get them all at once, but yeah, here you go. This makes a weird shot. But still, it's hard to get like all the ones back here and stuff too. But yeah, there's so many of them. So yeah, nothing too interesting fan-wise, but the install is incredible. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See, I don't want to replace another coastal rings.
Limoncello or go back?
Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a really weird install, as you can see. Something like that. Pretty interesting restaurant though. Let's see if the restrooms have anything. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I don't think I should risk doing something like that. This is probably just another original. Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, here's some lights. Here, these are like the light kits that are on the Hunter originals, but you can see that is a fan canopy and down rod right there. Down here. I know one of the restaurants has these in it, but I'm not sure which one. I hope it wasn't that one and they remodeled. But yeah, we'll find out. World's fairs over here that have been replaced with. I'm not sure what these things are. But yeah, these were World's fairs. They had World's fairs there, and then that's the restaurant with the World's fairs that are still there. But yeah.